Yo guys, here is today's trade recap. I took 3 trades today. I lost 2 and I won 1. And let's go over it. So the first trade I took, we came to London low and got a strong reaction. So I entered, put my stop below London low and I targeted London high. Got stopped out. I did the same thing here. We had a strong reaction out. And I got stopped out again. So things I can learn from this. I'm not going to target small trades like this unless I can hit a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, because it's always bad quality setups when the high and the low are so close together. And then for this trade, we came out of London low, tapped back into it. So I just entered it like that, put my stop right there above London low. And I targeted Asian low. Things I won this trade, but things I could have done better at it, or waiting a little bit more to enter, like waiting to close, have a 30-minute close below it, and then execute off this reaction. That would have been a lot better. Cause wait, well, this candle opened at 9, so I probably just would have taken it at the same time as that. So yeah, but I kind of already could tell price was going to go down because we rejected both of our opportunities to push up. So another thing I could have done better is I closed out the trade a little bit earlier than I should have, because I thought we were gonna reverse off Asian low. You should always be disciplined and let it do a full ride to take profit. So yeah, this trade was pretty good, and these trades weren't the best. I followed my plan for these trades, but it's just not a high quality setup when it looks like this. And oh yeah, your USD today was horrible because news took out all my setups that I had for today. Oh my gosh, what the heck is going on now? That's not news. What the heck? What the? This right here, that's the news candle that wiped out my setup because it took out London low. Like, it just pushed past that. I could have probably taken that trade off the reaction off of it, but no, that's not really a high quality trade because it's like based off of news. But I could have, because we technically did close below it, both of these on 30-minute, tap back into it, got a reaction. I could have done that and targeted what the sigma, like a 1 to 2 risk reward type stuff, like this. And then I could have targeted like right there. That would have got hit. That would have got hit pretty fast, like a 15-minute span. But yeah, because this is kind of crazy now. It's like, what the heck? Look at this crap. This is a news candle. for high. There's tons of high impact news today. So what the heck is this? What the? This is super crazy, dude. Like, look at this. This right here is a 1 minute candle, bro. Bro, this is what the average 1 minute candle looks like. Like, these are the average 1 minute candles. And then this is these 1 minute candles. What is going on? Price should not be moving like that. Like, oh my gosh. Well, we just took out all of these untouched highs right here. Alright. Like, price just needed more reason to push down, so we just swept tons of liquidity. Alright. Are we gonna keep pushing up, or what is price wanting to do? Like, what the? Yo. Yeah, these are pretty big. Yeah, that's not as big as the euro. But oh my gosh, these are kind of massive. Oh my gosh, and the price action this morning was horrible. Like, oh my gosh, it's so bad and choppy. But you can't blame a loss on the price action. You have to blame it on yourself. But yeah, these are the trades that I took today. And I learned from all of them, and that's a good thing. You can learn from your wins and from your losses. And you can always improve every day. And be more disciplined and stick to your plan, and then boom, you're profitable, dude. You're profitable. Yep.